Select 4 different whole numbers between 1 and 9 inclusive such that their mean is 6, their range is 5. Now, if their mean is 6, okay, that's the sort of average. And remember, when you work out the mean, you add them up, don't you? Now, we don't know what the values are, so that's why I'm doing boxes here. But when you calculate the mean, you add up your values. In this case, there's 4 of them. You divide by how many are there. So there's 4 of them, and it gives you the mean. Okay, so it's good to sort of write this out, because what I can do now, this is like an equation. I can see what these 4 numbers have got to add up to. Yeah, so if you think about it, we could take that 4 over the other side and multiply. Yeah, because we're dividing by 4 here. You do the mean, take it over and multiply. So these 4 numbers have to add up to give 4 times 6, or 6 times 4, 24. Okay, so we need now to think about some numbers, all right, that will add up to 24, essentially. Okay, and it is a case of just having a go, just trying something and see if it works. So, you know, because there's 4 of the numbers, I'm not going to start too low. Maybe I'll start on 3. That could be my lowest. But then we see the second bullet point, and it says the range is 5. Okay, so we've got to sort of obey that as well. So if I take my lowest number to be 3, if you think about it then, my highest number has got to be 8. Because the range, remember the range, the highest take away the lowest, it's got to be 5. So this has got to be spread out over 5. So if I and as I said, this is just I'm just having a go here. 3 might not be the lowest, but I'm trying 3. Okay, maybe 4 would be the lowest. Okay, maybe you could do 4. And if 4 was the lowest, then you'd have 9 as the highest, wouldn't you? And the case then is, can we find numbers in here to fill in, okay, so that they add up to 24? Okay, well, if you think about it, 3 is my lowest, 8 is my highest. Well, that will be 11, yeah? Okay, 3 add 8 is 11. So 24 then take away 11 is 13. So I just need 2 numbers then that add up to give 13. 2 numbers in between these. And, you know, if you think 6 and 7, add up to 13. So there's an option there, 3, 6, 7, 8. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be that. You could have maybe started off with 4, you know? Maybe you thought 4 was the lowest, which means then your highest would have to be 9, isn't it? So that the range there is 5. So then you've got to think of 2 numbers in the middle there. Okay, well, 4 and 9 add up to give 13. 13 then from 24, you've got 11 left. So 11 left, these 2 numbers then have to add up to 11. So you could have had 5 and 6 there. So that's another option. Okay, so sometimes with these, there's more than one way of doing it. Okay, so that's fine or that's fine.